Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jolene and I make relaxing videos here on YouTube. Today I just wanted to talk to you guys about reasons why your hair may be breaking. Now this can apply to people who are natural, people who are relaxed. Just once you have hair on your head, girl, this could be you and we gotta stop it. So even before I get into this video, just go ahead and hit that like button. Throughout the course of the video, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Make sure you share it with a friend, because if your hair is growing and looking sweet and nice and your friend here is struggling and breaking every chain, guys, it's not nice. It's not a nice look. Let's be helpful and share with our friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because I really appreciate it and our family is growing, so be a part of the gang. So let's talk about why your hair may be breaking. Okay, so in order for a plant to grow adequately, you know, the soil in which it is planted needs to be good, and the seed from which it comes from needs to be on and popping as well. So I think it's super duper important to make sure your scalp is healthy, and the only way that you're really able to accomplish that is by cleaning your scalp on a constant basis and moisturizing your scalp as well. For me, I wash my hair every single week with shampoo and conditioner, and I'm not showing you here on my channel, I probably could. I also moisturize my scalp with oil. I don't use, like, you know, back in the day you used to use grease, some blue magic, and just dap it, some blue magic or Dax, and just dap it on your scalp and your hair will be long and gorgeous. I use a heavy oil like castor oil and I just pass it through my scalp and I give myself like a nice scalp massage, and my scalp just loves me for it. So you want to make sure that the base of your hair, where your hair comes forth from, is nice and healthy, and that's your scalp. So take care of your scalp. So another reason your hair could be breaking is because you're over processing your hair, and like I have a whole video about what not to do when you get a relaxer. So this one really speaks about relaxing your hair. Now first of all, we know relaxers are chemical and they break down the natural bonds in our hair, so in and of itself it is harmful to the hair. Okay, we know this, right? We know this. However, but there's no reason for you to be adding to the harm. No sugar. No. Why you causing more injury? Is everything okay in your life? So, over processing your hair, leaving the relaxer on for too long, where it causes like burns to your scalp. Again, coming back to the scalp. Why? And then also where you're relaxing your hair to the point where it's like bone straight and there's like no texture left in the hair. You're just relaxing your hair every 4, 5, every 3 weeks, every 2 weeks, and you're relaxing your hair. Then you're really not giving you yourself or your hairdresser, whoever it is that relaxes your hair, enough like room to see in between your new growth and you're already relaxed hair. Like they can't really visualize the line of demarcation, and so you might find that there's a lot of overlap of the relaxers, and that part is going to get pretty thin because there's constant relaxer going on it over and over. It's being over processed, and then you'll find like from the root you're experiencing breakage, and that's not something you want at the root of your hair. Like if you're gonna break, let it break from the bottom, not be but from the top is like there's a fundamental issue going from above, and that's only going to extend throughout your hair. So try not to over process your hair, please, darling. Now somebody gotta say it: stop abusing protective styles. Okay. If it is that you have your hair in a weave too long, if it is that you have a wig and then underneath your hair is not being moisturized or treated, if it's that you're having braids that are too tight for your hair, like all these things, they're gonna contribute towards breakage. The person gripping up your hair and your whole scalp, all your brain cells when they're trying to get the hair inside the plait. Like, bruh, let's stop abusing these things that are supposed to be protective styles, that are supposed to be helping us to just lay low with our hair, not manipulate our hair as much. When it's too tight, when it's not being adequately moisturized, your hair is you're just giving your hair the opportunity to just fall off and break though. Like, why are you doing this to it? I feel like I've said it so many times. Why are you doing this to yourself? Like, though I've done this to myself several times over, and it's like, oh, you're gonna look nice and cute with your new hairdo or whatever, but your hair on the inside is like breaking, and no sis. And then I could go ahead and translate to low manipulation styles. So this right here is a braid out, and I do braid outs and twist outs pretty often. I also go ahead and put my hair back in a bun, up in a bun. So if it is that your hands are constantly in your hair, raking through your hair, I mean, granted, your hair does, like a certain amount of hair does fall off your head every single day, just like by the process of elimination, going through the different phases of hair growth. However, if you're adding extra stress to your hair, constantly combing through your hair every single day, raking it through, adding unnecessary stress and tension to your hair, when you can really just leave it down, let it bubble by itself, let it just relax, then I don't know, you're just adding unnecessary stress to your hair where your hair could snap off and break. So yeah. And then even with your low manipulation styles, I've talked about this before in a previous video, if you always have your hair in the same style, especially like a bun, where you're adding tension with your scrunchie or your woogie to that particular part, you will find that wherever the woogie catches, so if the woogie catches in the back, then you will find like around here you will have like a ring of breakage. That's happened to me, like right at the ends I would see like this ring around of split ends because I was always putting my hair back in that spot. It was too tight, but I learned. I'm growing, guys. I'm growing. And then of course you guys know I advocate this forever. You're not deep conditioning your hair, you're not moisturizing your hair. So this is deep conditioning, moisturizing, washing your hair. You're not doing these things, and so it makes your hair more prone to breakage. Dry hair breaks, okay? Dry hair breaks. If you didn't know, dry hair breaks up with you, leaves you and your kids alone, and goes off with a new friend, and you over there struggling, you there alone and suffering. Okay, dry hair breaks. And so you need to moisturize and seal your hair. You need to deep condition your hair. You need to make sure that your hair is feeling the love from you so it can reciprocate and give you that love in return. If there's a lack of a moisture protein balance in your hair, it could also lead to breakage, and so that's why you need to learn your hair and implement the necessary steps to make sure your hair is getting the right products that it needs to be healthy and feel moisturized. My last couple of points, I'm gonna just wrap this up because this could be a lot. But my last couple of points, if you're using too much heat on your hair, constant passing of the heat, like you could try and limit it. For me, I made a vow this year to only use heat 3 times a year. I've only used it once, guys. We're in June. Okay, sorry, but I'm just very proud of myself. But you want to make sure you're using not so much heat on your hair, because sometimes we cannot burn off our hair. We've seen that video where the girl like just burn, guys. Don't add unnecessary stress. I guess that's like the point of this. Take care of your hair so it and of itself is healthy, and then don't do certain practices that's gonna add unnecessary stress to your hair and cause it to break. It's like balancing the two, taking care of it and then not abusing it. Like let it come together. And then of course this one might seem a little bit, I don't know, counterproductive, but you need to trim your hair. And like sometimes you feel like, okay, I need my hair to grow, so I'm not gonna trim it. But by not trimming it, you're just allowing any split ends that may be on the end to travel up the length of your hair and then cause it to break on its own. It will be a lot more fragile. I'm a strong advocate for dusting. So you know, searching and destroying and dusting your ends in between trims, and then getting trims regularly. That could be twice a year, that could be 3 times a year, but I dust my ends about every 2 months so they're not traveling up the length of my hair, and my hair can overall just be healthy. Okay guys, so that's it. Those are some reasons why your hair could possibly be breaking. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If it is that you're doing any of these things, it's not too late. You can turn it around. You can live a better life. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Again, as I said, our subscriber count is growing and I'd be appreciating all of you. You're the best. And I'll see you guys next Tuesday. So always remember to stay hopeful, stay faithful, and stay loving. I'll see you guys in the next one. Blessings.